It is 4:49 p.m. Monday, July 11th, 2022 in Osijek, Croatia, capital Osijek. This narrow gauge track is a tram system here in Osijek. It was the first tram system ever in southeastern Europe. Hopefully a tram will come by here. Here is part of the Viking tour I'm taking from Bucharest, Romania to Budapest, We're tied up at Vukovar, Croatia. Vukovar. Here comes the tram, I believe. This was the first tram line in southeastern Europe, here in Osijek, Croatia. And Osijek, capital Osijek, is known for production of beer, ice cream, and chocolate. Population 100,000. Let's see if another tram comes by. Beautiful sunny day here. Just been over at the State Railway of Croatia passenger station here in Osijek, and it's under major reconstruction. Did see one diesel multiple unit, modern looking DMU diesel multiple unit train departing. And it is 4:51 p.m. Monday, July 11th, 2022 in Osijek, capital Osijek, Croatia. We're looking at the tracks of the first tram line in Croatia, originally horse-drawn. Over and out.